Hello friends, welcome to Coding Siksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to use Selenium and Python in order to automatically log in into your Gmail account. So this is the Python script I will run here. Let's see the end product of this application. So as I run this application, you will see a new browser window pop in. So this will automatically enter my email address and password, and then you can see that I am successfully logged in onto my Gmail account. So this is the overall functionality that we will be building in this tutorial. So let's start the tutorial, guys. So this tutorial will be very interesting. So first of all, you have to download the Selenium Chrome driver onto your local machine. So let me just tell you how to do so. Just go to Google here and type here Selenium Chrome driver download. Just type this, and the first result which pops in, just click this result, and you can see that there are various kinds of download depending upon which version of Chrome you are using. So in order to check what version of Chrome you are using, you can use the site called as just write on Google, check version of Chrome. So the first site which tells you, just click this site, and there is an alternative site. You can see that here, what is mybrowser.com. so whenever you open this site, it will tell you the version number. I am using Chrome 75, so dependingly you can see that I'm using Chrome version 75. So just click this. In my case, your case will be different. So depending upon your operating system, if you are using Linux, Mac or Windows, I am using Windows, so I will be downloading this zip file. So I have already downloaded this zip file. This, after downloading, this will be the zip file. You extract it, and then it contains the exe executable file for Windows. So just paste this file in the working directory of your application. So and then you just open the text editor, favorite text editor of yours. So let me delete all the code. So the first line that you write in your Python script is importing the Selenium module. So if you haven't downloaded this Selenium module, what you can do, you can write this command pip install Selenium. So this will actually download Selenium module in the Python directory. So after that, from Selenium module we are importing WebDriver. After that, we are making a new variable driver, and we are using that Chrome driver that we have downloaded, that is Chrome driver.exe. So we are importing WebDriver.chrome. so you can see that we are passing the full address. It is located in the same directory, so nothing here. So after that, what we have to do here is that, sorry, let me just delete all the code here and write one line at a time. We want to use the driver variable and invoke this function of get, and here I will pass the full address of Gmail, https www.gmail.com. So if I execute this script right now, and you will see that it will automatically open gmail.com once I open the script. So you can see that it has automatically opened gmail.com. Now what I want the XPath address or the name of this. So what you can do, you can right click this Gmail field, inspect it, and click this icon. It will select an element in the page to inspect it. Just select this, and here I want to select this element, input field. So here we can use of this name parameter. You can see the name attribute here. So this is a value identifier. We just want to copy this. So this is same for all browsers from across the world. So you just have to copy this. So this is a unique field by which we can target. So driver.find element by name. So you can see that. So in that we can just pass the name identifier, and then we can be setting the value. What is the email address you can pass here? I will pass my email address sharmagautam 1997 dob@gmail.com. That's it. After setting the email address, now let me just run the script once again. Close this. Sorry, it is running here, so just wait. Sorry, let me run the script again. So this will automatically populate this Sharma Gautam, all this stuff. I don't have to write it. So you will see that. You can see that it has automatically written this text here. I don't have to write on myself. So this is the advantage of it. Now I want to target the next button here. Similar fashion, I can inspect element and then I can click this button and you will be redirected to this button. This is the, sorry, let me just select this. So you can see that this is the next button. So now what I want, I need to right click and then I want to copy the X path. You can see that copy X path. So just copy it. After that we will be finding element by X path. So there is a function out there, find element by X path. So in that I will be copy pasting the X path. So there you need to write it in single quotes and after that you need to click it because this is a button, so you need to click it. So once again, if I run this application again, script again, it will also click the element. So it is redirected to Gmail. Now it is writing the email address. Now it has clicked the element. So this is the way by which we can see that. Now if I want to inspect the password field, so click it. Now you can see that name attribute. We can just target the name also. This is password. So we can again, but before that we have to have some weight. So to initialize some weight, we can set some implicit weight. So this is a function, this will wait for some time. You can pass here 4. So this will wait for some time so that Google will be manipulated that we are writing by ourselves. So after that we will be driver.find element by class name. So in that we will pass here password in order to select the password field. Then we will be using send keys function. Here I will write my password, Gautam Sharma 123. This is my password. Now if I write the run the script here, so what you will see, it will also populate the password field automatically as well. So now it is redirected to gmail.com. You can see that it has clicked the next button. Also it has not populated the field password. So let me just check what has happened. Let me run the script again here. It is being redirected to, it is filling the, why it is not filling the password field? Let me check. Go to this inspect element, name is equal to password. This needs to, let me just check the code once again. Just wait, let me just check the code once again, why it was not. This was the overall code here. Find element by name, password dot send keys. Gautam Sharma. Now let me just run this script here. Let me check. Next. So now it has populated it, the password as well. So this is now the last thing that remains is the next button. So the next button which is there here, let me just show you. This is the next button. So for that we will be inspecting element here. Right click, inspect element, then we will click this button. In the same fashion we will click this. So here copy the X path. So it has successfully copied. Now we will write driver dot find element by X path. Here we will pass the X path. So this will be the X path. So now if I run the script again, now it should work. Oh sorry, I am missing the click function, so that is why it was not working. So now let me just, why two browsers windows are opened, I don't know. Now if I run the script, I was missing the click function, so that is why it was not clicking. So now let me see, it is making sure, yes, now it is clicking the next element as well. So guys, we have successfully opened gmail.com automatically by using Selenium, which is present inside Python. It is a kind of a module which is present. So this is very much used for automation testing field. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.